Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, let's go for a quick test drive in this 2024 Acura MDX A-Spec. This MDX A-Spec has a red interior, and for a quick rundown, so the MDX A-Spec has a 3.5 liter V6 with 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, wireless charging tray, ELS Studio 3D 16 speaker sound system, which can only be had in the A-Spec and the advanced package. 3 memory seat settings right here. You have the Acura Iconic Drive ambient lighting. You have ventilated front seats, flat bottom steering wheel, super handling all-wheel drive standard on the A-Spec model and above. Panoramic sunroof, 3 rows. The middle row can be captain's chairs if you want them to as well. And then on the gauge cluster, you're able to see all these different menus. And you can change the setting to crafted, which I like better. The steering on this current generation of the MDX is very, very light, which a lot of people like. The previous generation MDX had heavier steering. But this new generation MDX is definitely amazing. It's started in 2022. It's on its 3rd model year now, including the 2022 model year. I just really like the MDX, and it's always been a really reliable SUV with a good driving experience, and just the new one is so beautiful. I mean, it's not really it's not no speed demon, that's for sure. It's gets up and goes for what you need it to, but it's not fast by any means. The MDX Type S, it's quicker, but even the Type S model isn't a speed demon either. Cabin is pretty insulated. It's very luxurious in here. And super handling all-wheel drive is torque vectoring as well. And to finish this video off, let's just go for a quick walk around on the car. This one's finished in majestic black pearl. Yeah, very stylish SUV for sure. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more content. Catch you on the next one.